name is Nuril Hanisha Imani binti Rahimi.
And my name is Nurila Shafika binti Johan.
And my name is Nurauni binti Muhammad Nasir.
So first of all, we're gonna learn about the difference between oil and fats. Second, we're gonna learn about the saturated and unsaturated fats. Third, we're gonna learn about the conversion of unsaturated fats to saturated fats. And lastly, we're gonna learn about the uses of oil and fats in life. Are you guys ready? Let's get started!
Now let's start off with the introduction of oils and fats. At room temperature, fats exist as solid, and when fats becomes liquid, it is called oils. The definition is, oils and fats are esters produced through the reaction between fatty acids and glycerols. The functions of oils and fats are, first, to supply energy, second, to provide body temperature insulation, third, to absorb important vitamins, fourth, to protect vital internal organs, and lastly, used to build new cells and produce hormones. In this slide, we are going to talk about the characteristics or the difference of oils and fats. You may refer to the table shown. For oils, the source is from plants such as corn, peanuts, palm oils, and coconuts. The physical state is liquid. The melting point is low because it is less than 20 degrees Celsius. The content of fatty acid is mostly unsaturated fatty acid, and the saturation is unsaturated, which means it contains both single and at least one double covalent bond between the carbon atoms. The example of oils are palm oil, corn oil, and sunflower oil. Whereas for fats, the source is from animals such as in cows, pigs, and goats. The physical state is solid. The melting point is high because it is more than 20 degrees Celsius. The content of fatty acid is mostly saturated fatty acid. The saturation is saturated, which means it contains only single covalent bonds between the carbon atoms. And the example of fats are butter and lard.
Okay, so let's explore more about saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats contain saturated fatty acids, and unsaturated fats contain unsaturated fatty acids. Examples of saturated fatty acids are palmitic acids, lauric acid, and stearic acid, while examples of unsaturated fatty acids are oleic acids, linoleic acid, and linolenic acid. Did you know unsaturated fatty acids have at least one double bond in the carbon chain, whereas saturated fatty acids only have a single covalent bond in the carbon chain as shown in the picture. The presence of double bonds causes unsaturated fats to have low melting points and exist as liquids. Okay, so let's continue on conversion of unsaturated fats to saturated fats. Did you know unsaturated fats can be converted to saturated fats? But how? So, oils consist of a high percentage of unsaturated fats. Unsaturated fats are converted into saturated fats through hydrogenation reaction. During a hydrogenation reaction, hydrogen gas is passed into hot oil with the presence of nickel as the catalyst. The double bond in the carbon chain is open and the hydrogen atoms are added to the carbon chain. Figure 5.3 shows the example of a hydrogenation reaction. So, do you guys get it? No? Let me explain. The addition of hydrogen atoms to the carbon chain causes the molecular mass to increase that leads to the increase in the melting point and boiling point. This situation explains why margarine exists in a solid form at room temperature even though it is produced from oil. Before you guys turn into the next topic, I have some questions. Between oils and fats, which one can last longer and can stand from turning rancid? Why? Explain your answer. So I will ask the answer after class, okay? See you there!
Okay, uses of oils and fat in life. First, biofuel. Oils and fat can be used to produce biofuels such as biodiesel to be used by vehicles with diesel engines. Second, soap and personal care. Oils and fats are the main ingredient for soap making. Personal care items like skin moisturizer also utilize oils in their production. Third, nutritional source. Oils and fats supply energy and help the body to absorb important vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. Lastly, animal feeds. Oils and fat are also used to manufacture feeds for cattle to fulfill their nutritional needs. That's all for our uses of oil and fat. Thank you.